The other day I got really excited about a well-priced cabbage, and so like all other unplanned purchases, it sat on my counter for a few days, staring at me with really judgmental eyes. But then I remembered cabbage is perfect for gyoza, so today and tomorrow we're gonna use cabbage for not just one, but actually 2 recipes. I know, I'm an overachiever. The thing about gyoza cabbage is after cutting it, you need to salt it and squeeze out the excess water. Once I skipped this step, and it did not taste the same. I also like to add some nira or chives to give it a little bit of that nice punch. In Japan, they like to use this meat called aibiki, and it's a mix of ground pork and ground beef to blend the juiciness of the pork and the rich meat flavor of beef. Usually for gyoza, it's best to flavor the meat with ginger, garlic, spices before adding in the veggies. Squeezing out the water takes a surprising amount of grip. I love having giant metal mixing bowls to mix things together, so I don't have to worry about the mixture spilling out. This set of bowls is from my favorite cookware brand called Yanagisori. Lastly, we don't want the gyoza to stick to things, so I like to place it on saran wrap as I make it. And this is how it turned out. For only 30 minutes, I feel like I pumped out a pretty decent amount of dishes. Gyoza dipping sauce is a mix of Japanese vinegar, soy sauce, and a light sprinkle of Chinese chili oil. Honestly, I was quite nervous how it was all going to turn out, but I'm really happy with the result. Overall, it was a 10 out of 10 as rated by my husband. Hi guys, it's Friday. I'm so excited. Anyway, I'm making a quick lunch because today I'm doing some work from home and I have my leftover gyoza, or the innards of gyoza. Sorry, I had to adjust my audio. But basically, yes, today I'm going to be using my leftover gyoza and making fried rice. Maybe you already know, but actually fried rice is best with leftover rice, so I'm reheating some old rice. Also, I have some leftover dumpling soup from last night, so I'm just gonna reheat that, and it's gonna be delicious. Dumplings are so good. This is one made of chicken broth. And you can change up the flavor by adding some ponzu later, which is what I'm gonna do when I get bored. But first, the soup. And next, the chahang. Hey, ikimasu. This was probably the easiest fried rice I've ever made. Like, it was ridiculously easy. I think an important part of not getting soggy fried rice is making sure that when you cook the meat, you add all of the flavoring first, which I already did into the gyoza, so it was already like salted and had soy sauce. And that keeps it from getting soggy, because if you add the soy sauce or any flavoring after you've added the rice, it's just gonna like mush up. This is true, by the way, also for omuraisu, just to let you know. Okay, I'm gonna finish up my lunch and get back to work. And today I actually have a half day, or I guess like an early afternoon, so I'm excited. Mata ne!